How to check that the data is null in Django view. I have a small validation to do in my view. I have to check whether the data received from the data field, for which null equals true, of the form is null or not. Presently I did this by. And I got what I wanted. My question is this code optimum or there is some better way to do the same?
That's pretty much as good as it's going to get. You typically want to use as none instead of equals none just in case the left-hand side is an instance of a class which has defined equals to mean something special when used with none, but it's not a big deal here.
Is none used for equals null and is not none used for not equal null?
That's the best way I can think of doing it. If you're pulling data that might be null in Django from an SQL server, then you might have a bottleneck in actually pulling that data.
If you want to support the channel,